say that again. It's gonna be the only memorable part in this video on the internet.
I wonder if we can play an entire level being quiet.
Wait, no, but we.
Wait, guys, can we play an entire level?
Nobody talk right now.
I can talk again!
Really?
Really? Which way? Your mom. Okay. Wait, what are we doing?
Butterwood.
Say Coca-Cola with your
Hey guys, we should try an entire level without making a sound or like a muffled thing or laughing or like anything. Just complete silence.
No.
Complete silence. Okay, this next level, complete silence.
they want to know.
Wait, no, guys. We get in there, we just stop.
Yeah, like no, complete.
Guys,
Okay,
as soon as we gain control, we just need to. Don't smack. Just
Guys,
like,
guys,
Yeah, just like-
I have something to tell
Guys,
you
the
guys.
weird
What do you
remotes
have
are
to
very-
tell us? What
I'm
do you-
sorry,
Like,
but I'm.
Guys, I think we failed. See, we died because we failed. We were giggling. The freaking.
I so wanted to
Yeah,
go
we're gonna do it.
and play the
Six
homicide
continues.
I'm at
Six
zero.
continues.
Wait, guys, we still have to do it. Okay?
Yeah,
we still
well,
have
like,
to do it because we died
honestly,
because
the hammer
we
for
died.
power is.
Bring you.
I caught the Yoshi.
We so much failed this. We failed the challenge, but yeah.
That means we have to do it again.
No.
We'll do it next
No,
level.
but it's funny.
I want to talk.
No, you
Okay,
don't.
yeah, the viewers need yappiness.
You have to fast forward that
Yeah.
Fast forward.
until we get to.
Wait, how do we get down
reach you
there?
guys.
How do we get down there?
have any animation?
Yeah, Hotel Transylvania 3.
Oh, I thought you were coding
Whatever we want. Whatever we want. Whatever we want. Whatever we want.
Why am I the only one that's doing this? No, I was useful!
Not anymore.
Whoa!
Not anymore.
Wait, we did. What? You just instant die on that thing? Oh. Code. Toad me code. Guys, you know
You could see him. You could see him.
what? Guys, get it. Oh,
Come here. Just the two of us.
no. We can't make it if we try because we absolutely suck. How did I do
Just the two of us. Seven. 27.
Get out.
No. Wait, click the He looked at the
Guys, our humor is so broken. Why do we think that's funny?
What? Oh no!
What's Lucho doing to Yellow Zone?
Luigi doing?
Oh, I left. I left.
That's why I tried to stop you from doing. Look at Mars.
Guys, go! This is broken.
No.
He's not gonna put this in the video, guys. It's not happening. What?
Whoa, what is that?
Why is he eating it?
Guys, you're making my text messages go off.
Ding, 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 ding. What about Rico? I'll get it, guys. I'll get it.
What I'm doing.
Yes, he got it somehow. Me.
I got saved and I instantly died.
Guys, remember everything in a word you say after class, not just less video.
Yeah, there's a lot of this video. I think you should go. I can see it from my visceral vision.
For visceral?
I can't say.
You can't say a word
Guys, we can have fun with this thing now. Okay, let's not be a failure like last time. Alright, guys.
Yeah.
Lock in. Actually, no. You can stay on your freaking tablet because we just need one person. What are you doing? Okay, guys, lock in.
No! You Guys, we're all depressed now. Look what you did.
Look at what you did. Wait, can we do it again?
No.
No, I swear I saw Toad's eyes on the back of his head, so he's just like.
No
Stop
power ups,
weeing.
bro. No power ups, bro.
How am I going so fast?
I thought you could only go Mach 10 and Mario U.
Insert like flashy vacuum. Wait, we need you. Oh wait, no, but you got rid of it. Oh wait, we just need this.
Wait, no. I know what to do.
Need him.
Guys, it's toilet, bro.
Watch me be gamer.
Failure. I'm still winning, guys. And the logical system. Why did you say? Stop saying the big word.
Guys, look.
No!
Guys, it looks like a face. A really skinny neck face. See?
What?
Guys, tower.
Look. Guys.
Come on, guys.
Here, that's his neck.
Oh yeah, I see the face. I see the face.
Oh yeah,
It's
I
the
see
wall.
it.
It's the
Right
wall. It's the wall.
I see it.
Right here. This is his neck. That's
It's the
nose up
wall.
there.
It's the wall.
I see it.
Wait, where's his nose?
His nose right there.
The little nub. The wall. It's the
Forget it.
background. The background.
Forget it.
The wall.
Oh.
Bubble, you bing bongs. Never mind. We shouldn't have bubbled.
Go.
Wait, why
Fly.
do we have all these?
Fly.
When did we get this?
I gave them to them. And you guys already trashed it. But did the textures glitch? Why is there a blue line going across the sky?
That looks
We don't need it. Get this one. Get this one. Get this one. Get that.
Oh, I want that.
No.
No, yeah.
Guys, this is
What is going on?
I got it and then I didn't get
This
it.
is what you get.
Oh yeah, we need to kill him,
Is this video called the sequel to the sequel?
baby.
Wait.
Eat it.
Hey, can we beat the gay?
Can I have a crust?
Sorry, we gotta beat you.
Let's beat
Can I
the
have a
gay.
crust?
Here, I'll take it. I'm bet. Oh, frick, we got too many coins. That was both coins. They should die.
Oh. Hey.
Wait,
Don't
what's
make me
Wait, it's the
say
things
a bunch-
from World 5 Castle.
Don't make me leak every.
Why am I so fast? Oh, he's just gonna beat it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna make this way is to believe that.
I don't want to beat the
Just like put the
Guys, you know I'm gonna get lazy, and then I just
Yeah.
cut out parts.
That's why I should have.
Wait, are
You're not.
allowed to, like, use
You just need to believe in me.
Wait,
I'm gonna make a lethal company.
guys, I just realized when you press the button, it's not one sound.
What?
Oh,
I
we
feel
got
targeted right now.
They're both.
I just.
We got him.
blue toad orange juice.
I mean, you have 5.
5.
Have you guys got any?
No.
Nope.
Both of us have.
You haven't dropped.
I'm cooking. I haven't been since like 10 in a long time.
I've been 10 years old.
Where's the movie?
I was like born at the age of 4. I grew up to be 2 years old.
I was born at a very young age.
I was born
Guys,
at the
I
age
was
of
born at a very old age.
I was born at the age of 4 and grew up to be 2 years old. So, I want to. I'm going to feel. It's the opposite of an electron. So it deletes it.
No, that's a proton, you stupid.
A crouton?
No,
I love those.
proton.
I always take those out of the salads.
Positron is the opposite of an electron.
You hate croutons?
A proton is the larger positive one. A positron is the very.
I'm in pre-AP science.
Okay, I know what a positron.
Positron? Isn't that thing from, what's it called, Transformers?
He's gonna cut like 50%. No, 90%. No, 90%. No.
Yeah, he's gonna get. You just got your lives back, bud.
Nah!
I feel like we just did the war league.
It's a biggie.
Where is it? Oh, good job.
Wait, guys, just listen.
Just eat it.